Hello, welcome to Exponent Properties. Here we're going to look at negative exponents. Letter A says evaluate 10 to the negative 8th power. In order to evaluate that, we need to remember something about negative exponents. In the rule, if we have any a to the negative n, we need to rewrite it as any 1 over a to the n. A to the negative n is repeated division, so then we write it as division that we're going to repeat over and over again. So this will become a to the 10 to the negative 8 become 1 over 10 to the positive 8, and then I can evaluate it. It becomes 1 over 100 million. Similarly, in part B, it says rewrite the following without an exponent. So I want this negative 1 to go away. Since any n to a to the negative n is 1 over a to the n, I'm going to rewrite this as 1 over negative 6. And up here there'll be a positive 1, but that goes away. So the only thing that changes when I rewrite this is the negative power. The negative base stays. For letter C it works similarly. I'll have negative 3 to the negative 1 power, which is 1 over negative 3. In part D, I have 5/9 to the negative 1/2. Well, this is going to turn out to be, when I have a fraction form, I'm going to just swap these around. So I'm going to use the process, but my 9 and my 5 switch, so it becomes 9/5 to the 1 power. Let's look at one more example. Part E says rewrite the expression without using a negative exponent. When we go to think about rewriting it, we need to think that it's negative 3 times x to the negative 5th. So that way we can think of them as separate values. When I rewrite this, it'll be negative 3 times 1 over x to the 5th. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3, so this becomes negative 3 over x to the 5th power. When I'm looking at letter F, I have 1 over 6 times m to the negative 5th. When I look at it this way, the only value that I can move is the m to the negative 5, and that's going to slide up to the top. So it's going to be m to the 5th over 6. So just remember that a to the negative 1, or excuse me, a to the negative n is 1 over a to the n, and all these negative exponents will make more sense. Here we go.